What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for an individual cup of barley tea, you can try out this. Hey, I like barley tea. You get them a lot of Korean restaurants. They're very popular in Asia. You can just buy the toasted barley. You can just use barley and toast it yourself if you want to. But if you want to make an individual cup instead of boiling up a big pot of it, you might want to check out this. So just like any kind of tea bag, I think you can just make an individual serving here. So this is from House Foods, and it says put 1 tea bag into 1 quart pitcher of water. And then chill the pitcher in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the tea bag at the desired flavor level. And to serve hot, add a tea bag to boiling water for about 2 minutes. Remove tea bag and let cool. So you can make up to a quart with this. And I just want to show you, if we open this up, there are 4 tea bags in here. So a quart is a lot. So I would use a very large mug, like the Black Rock Full Coffee big ass mug. One of the things that I'm probably a little disappointed with is kind of come wrapped up like Pop-Tarts, and we get those, but you know, if I'm not going to make 4 quarts of it, I've got 3 opened tea bags. I would have actually liked these either individually wrapped. Now I know you can just take these and put them in probably a Ziploc bag for the ones that you're not going to use, but they do smell good. You can see here they're kind of half filled. The barley actually looks like it's even ground up in there, because I don't have like the big barley grains, but it smells good. Kind of a little paper here. The question is, how good does it taste? And because it says it can make up to a quart, I'm going to actually go ahead and fill this up. It's about 1 liter. Ooh, I can smell it already. It smells pretty good. Just going to let that steep there for probably just a couple minutes. It actually turned the color that I want, so maybe I'll drink this right now. All right, I've let it steep here for just a minute because the color looks perfect. And I would say that maybe they grind up those barley pieces, and that helps diffuse that flavor. Man, that looks and smells amazing. And it doesn't get much easier than this to make it very quickly. It's a little hot. Oh, that's hot, but man, that is delicious. It doesn't get any easier than that to make yourself a quick carafe of barley tea. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.